worship leader. And he can delegate, but most of the time, siya yun. Maybe 6 times in the year, siya, or 8 times, 12 times in the year, and the other 12 times, maybe he gives it to others. Pwede yun. Okay? So, discretion ng action group leader kung sino mag-worship. But, very important, he does not give it spur of the moment. Pagpasok na, Brad, mamaya ha, ikaw worship leader, hindi ganun. When you assign a worship leader, give him at least 2 weeks to pray about it, to compose himself, to make his exhortation, because the whole theme of the worship is based on the exhortation of the action group leader. Ano yung exhortation? He gives a message for worship. Okay? Also, when you worship, huwag masyado marami. 10 kanta, 8 kanta, it's too tiresome. Nakapagod. 4 songs is enough. 4 songs too much. Kami, pag nag-meeting kami sa Mancom, season, 2 kanta. Sabi ni Father Herb, 10 minutes, 2 songs, enough. Sa NLR, 2 minutes, 2 songs, enough. I agree. Not according to him, ganito, wala. And dapat brothers, dapat tayo mag-ganito, dapat, no, walang dapat. Because you're sharing about your life. You're not preaching. Hindi ka nagsisermon. Hindi ka nagre-reprimand. You're telling Jesus in your life. You're sharing it with others. Okay? I think that Jesus wants to tell me like this. He wants me to discover Him in this. This is what He wants me to do. Diba? Yan ang sharing. No discussing, no preaching. The moment you discuss, it's the moment you say, ay Brad, nakaka-relate ako sa'yo. Pag-share niya, nakaka-relate ako sa'yo. Meron akong tip sa'yo dyan. Alam mo Brad, ganito yan. Inistorbo mo na ang spirit of prayer. Nag-discuss ka na. Don't do that. Don't make any comment. So, halimbawa, distress yung brother mo. Talagang masama loob niya sa sharing niya, nag-iiyak siya. What do you do? At the end of the action group meeting, you comfort him. Patapusin mo na yung closing prayer. Then you comfort him. Brad, kanina, you were saying like this. How can I help you? Tapos na sharing. You can already do that. Or maybe during the meals. Pwede sa kausapin. Brad, mukhang malalim kung dating sa'yo ang problema. How can I help? That is caring. Caring by the action group, caring by the action group leader. But don't do it during the sharing. What if si sister nag-iiyak-iyak? Hindi mapigilan, iyak-iyak siya. Very emotional. What do we do? Buhusan ang tubig. Ano na? Somebody gets a glass of water, issue. So, also, kapag nag-hysterical, sometimes, somebody takes her out of the action group, puts her in one corner, maybe kung saan may mahangin, then comfort her and pray for her. Papalit tayo ng schedule. But, kahit dalawa ang nag-attend, isang po lang, tuloy yan. Tuloy, because it creates a discipline. So, pray to follow discipline of time. Your time is already included in your busy life. Kaya dapat yung schedule na yan, faithful kayo dyan. So the action group leader will honor that faithfulness. Sige, hindi natin i-postpone because meron ng iba na nag-make themselves available tapos i-postpone pa natin. May available na yung iba. See, do not make the habit of postponing unless it's really emergency. Bahana, gusto niyo pa mag-action group meeting. Paano tayo makapunta ron? Diba? Yes.
I just would like to ask in terms of action group meeting that is composed of husband and wife. The AGL meeting has been set already, and during the time that has been set already, available ang husband, the wife was not there. Sino mag-lead sa wife? Is it, do we have to appoint also, or do we have to have the unit head ng babae? Or yun lang, kasi usually kami, husband and wife kasi nag-lead.
Yeah.
So yung point lang is, the actual group leader, husband is there, the wife is not there.
It's a realistic situation. The husband, the actual group leader, will say, okay, since wala wife ko dito, hahaba ito. Kasi we will not split. So hindi tayo mag-split. Go. Pero wala magsasubstitute. Kasi pastoral leader wife eh. Tawagan natin yung unit leader's wife. Hahaba na lang, hahaba siya. Or, what we do is, bukas na lang kasi wala ka naman kasama ko. But it should not happen always. It should happen for a very important reason. Kasi halimbawa, maganda, dapat naman na kasi maganda sana sa bagilins. Ba't kung hindi, pwede nyo pahilahin. Huwag kayo mag-split.
Hindi siya may screen ang issue dito. Ang topic is more open sensitive guys.
So normally, a regular action group meeting has 2 hours. From worship up to closing, 2 hours. Keyword is. Yes, brother.
Morning. Dalawang action group per month, di ba? So you mentioned that we base the sharing on the scripture text taken from First Friday teaching. How about the second action group meeting?
Thank you, Dan. That's a very good question. Actually, I forgot to explain that. Buti na lang minsan ka. In the teaching, normally the teaching class has a discussion starters. Okay? What we normally do after the teaching, we group randomly, not by action groups. We group randomly and then we take up the discussion starters. But sometimes the teaching takes too long. Eh, may sermon pa ng pare sa first Friday, may teaching pa. Sometimes pagod na. So what you do is, ang discussion starters, you can take that during the action group meeting. Maybe in the first action group meeting, or in the second action group meeting. It's the judgment call of the action group leader. Normally, what we do, we take the discussion starters in the first action group meeting and the 7 steps in the second action group meeting. Sometimes even, ito just being liberal, no? Napakaganda ng first Friday ito. Ang problema lang, during the action group meeting, bumaha. Or hindi makapunta, or whatever happens. The action group leader can actually ask permission from the unit leader in the chapter here. Pwede ba, yung first Friday ito, last month, yun yung i-agenda namin sa action group meeting kasi hindi kami nakapag-action group meeting dahil sa bahay. Eh, maganda sana yun eh. So pwede niya hatiin yung dalawang action groups, yung isa, previous month, yung second action group meeting, yung this month. May 4 na word sa ano natin, sa commitment card natin, na very important. Regular, faithful, punctual, and regular, faithful, punctual, and what's the fourth one? Regular, faithful, punctual, parang